the fuck is happening with my car, guys? What's goody, boys? Here's an update on the world's first Chevy Cavalier all-wheel drive single engine stock body frame. There was a lot going on today. We worked a lot on the rear again to get it mounted, and the goal was to mount it on the newly welded brackets on the frame, and mount the differential, the axles, put the wheels on, and put it on its weight. We did it, and we just got in some issues. got in some issues. It's not a big deal, but well, the problem we have is that the Cavalier is just standing too high in the rear, so the springs and their rates are not good for this car and its rear weight. So we'll have to buy some new springs from AWD since they do a lot of different rate and inner diameter for the springs, and you can even get some spring custom. So we'll have to figure it out. As you can see now, it's not on its weight, and it stands at about a set inch of the fender. And when we put it on its weight, it's standing at about 3 inch 3/4 of the fender, and that's not good. We want it lower than that, because in the front it's the same thing. We got it about 7 or 6 inch from the fender when it's unsprung, and when it's on its weight, it's standing at about an inch and a quarter from the fender. So we need to figure out a rate for the rear spring to get it at the same height than or similar height than the front. So that's it, guys. It's about it. What we do today. What we did today, everything is mounted in the rear except the hydraulic brakes and the e-brake. Yeah, so we'll continue on this and we'll keep you in touch. Next part will be, I can say, insane. Check it out and like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. It's really appreciated. So that's it. Well, guys, damn, I think there's something wrong with my car. Check this out. Man, I'm just making it roll and it's rolling on the rear. What the fuck is happening with my car, guys? Holy moly, Batman. Damn. Do it for Dale.